Hello, my name is Lynn Barnhouse, and in this video I'm going to discuss enzymatic browning. So we've all had our produce turn brown, or we typically call it go bad, but to actually understand the science behind it is actually pretty cool and can be helpful in helping your produce last longer. So the enzyme to blame for this, the brown pigments that we see on these bananas, is polyphenol oxidase. So this class of enzymes is not all bad because in nature it's actually beneficial for the plants to have this because it helps the plants resist microbial and viral infections and helps them with adverse conditions. But when exposed to oxygen in the room air, the enzyme starts a biochemical reaction that converts phenolics, which are the compounds that are responsible for the color, the yellow color, and the flavor of the plants. So it converts the phenolics to produce ketones, which then undergo further polymerization to yield insoluble polymers called melanins. So we know this term melanin because this is what gives color to our skin. So melanin in the fruit, melanin in our skin is dark. So as we learned in the apple video, the methods to avoid enzymatic browning rely on methods that inactivate or remove essential compounds from the product. These methods include blanching, refrigeration, freezing, changing acidity through lemon juice, dehydration, irradiation, or high pressure treatment. Though interestingly, we've all tried to put bananas in the fridge thinking like a carrot or another produce item that it would last longer if refrigerated. But in fact, refrigeration actually is detrimental to bananas and can turn the peels black faster because bananas love warmth, and so the cold temperature of the fridge actually breaks down the cell walls of the banana peel, which lets the phenolic compounds mix with polyphenol oxidase at a higher rate. So as you can tell in these three different bananas, they've been exposed to oxygen for a different amount of time. These are actually from three different roommates. So this one was purchased about a week ago, and it's very dark because there's been a lot of melanins produced from the phenol oxidase. And this one was produced purchased a couple days later. And this one is a fairly fresh banana. As you can see, it is still fairly yellow and the enzyme hasn't really had as much time to work with the oxygen.